Well, today I'm going to be installing new antenna on the Commodore because the other day old mate Henry jukes a hazard across the bonnet and fucking hit the antenna with his bum and kinked it and fucked it. So I just bought a new one. So yeah, we'll fucking get that out of the box. See what we got. What a nightmare. There's a lot of wires to that, eh? Well, apparently I've got to take the left wheel off in the system, take off the bottom wheel arch, like the plastic bit, go into the ECU on the inside of the car, rip out the carpet. The ECU would be like right there underneath the glove box, and I've got to like find this blah blah blah, yep, and replace these wires with what's there. I had to come down and grab me tyre on. Forgot it was out there. I forgot it wasn't out there. Then me fat rims I'm going to put on it. I've just got to finish clear coating those handful. And once that handful is clear coated and covered, I'll get them I'll get those new tyres on them. And get them balanced and then chuck them on the combi. And I've got to get a wheel alignment after I do that. Yeah. Fucking nice good old 1J turbos, yeah. I'll do hopefully in the next 6 months a V6 twin turbo set up on the old combi. Yeah, I reckon it'll go alright. And there's there for a plan on the Lancer, those ones. You'll be able to see those a bit later on in the future, I reckon. And there are just boxes to my Tesla headlights and tail lights and that sort of stuff. So yeah, we'll get this thing going.
Where do we go from? Where do we go from here? No one can save us from keeping clear. I don't wanna lose you.
I'm gonna chuck this underneath the front there, just so it does. Well, if that jacklet was to fail, I'm not dead.
Before you turn around and walk away. Hey, 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 I just wanna see you on my new crave. I can do my own thing. I can do my
Well, here I've pretty much I've taken all the screws out. As you can see, doesn't seem to be any more, and I'm kind of winging with how to pull it out because you fuck watching a 10-minute YouTube video doing it. No, I already watched one a few days ago. So yeah, I'm just winging it so I don't take the advice from watching, I guess, unless it works. If it works, it works. Yeah, I'll get back into this. shit in the world for living on the New York coast, man. Just like that. And we've got you right there. And as you can see, that is what I'm looking for. This looks pretty neat though. Yeah, nice. I don't know what those loads are on. Alright, so we're going to the ECU now. All that's done. And we'll unplug you from the ECU. So there's a cable there, so that'd be a bit easier to reach. Yeah, I like that. Yep, going into the ECU. So, what are you? It's the Phillips head. Good view. Put you there. So, technically it. Like that. Just like so. And sorry, I just had to go charge the camera up a little bit and then not going dead. Now up to the I'm just gonna remove this antenna so I can see where the wires are and shit. Well, what way they go. So I've got 1, 2, 3 and 4 by the looks of it. So that bottom one there isn't one. Those two are. Sweeters, we'll get stuck into that. There's every bolt undone by the looks of it, so that little clamp plug in there. That seems to be all for that. Got one little wire going up there. You back there for now. So that's that little bit of interface I've got to unplug going from this line. Oh, this one back up into the ECU by the looks of it, so I'll jump back in there. Fuck. So your big fat grey cable that comes up through there. I say that's you, maybe, I don't know. Fuck, there's like 30 of them. 30 million. I'm just cutting the wire out of that one because I can just feed it back through there and find where it connects to. One just there. Yeah, this one seems to have a little plug on it, so hopefully I can just go doop, plug that in. See where that goes now. If it was the bit of cable I was thinking under here, that'd be handy if it was. That's definitely not you. Where are ya? Get back up here. No. Well, final attempt. A little bit of cable there. What we'll do is there's my interface little connection. Yeah. Oh, wonky. Fuck. And all it was that the kink. So, if you ever go do one of those antennas, you don't need to take out those two bottom bolts. I was just, yeah, had a bit of an unkind moment. You in there, boom, boom, boom. Plug back in there, if I can. Like that. Earth cable around. Technically I should just be able to plug that straight back in there like so. Boom. It's all solid in there. Done. So I have to start grabbing the bottom of that, just bend it out. Come back into the current ECU. So hopefully that plug came all the way through so I can just do it. This the ECU plate off, just to get that bit of wire shit through there. So there are two connections. So the moment of truth. So it's in nice and tight by the seams of it. Just gonna say if it works. All the earth and shit's plugged in, so those. Drop them out the door at the same time. Would you look at that? Massive too. All the way back down. Do it. Fuck yeah. Now let's let's put it all back together. It's a good bit, I reckon. Doosh, 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 doosh. Just hopefully nothing makes noises. I don't like that. So my first step is put that ECU cover back on. ECU back in, I can do it that. It takes 2 seconds. And the outside rear light's back on. Does. Yeah. We see when we get back. cant back on, eh? Oh, I shouldn't swear. Let's jam it back on. I missed that little ECU. That's all good to go. Chuck the wheel back on now and see it goes. I'll probably just time lapse the cleanup and shit and see how we go. So I'll time lapse the cleanup. Yeah, righto. We'll put the wheel back on, have a clean up and all that, and the rest of the car out, and yeah, you're just gonna have a little time lapse footage of that. automatic antenna all done. It was actually a lot easier than I thought. Went around pretty good. She's alright on the back of the car there. You can stay there. Yeah, she's all nice. Let's give you a quick run around of the Commodore. There's some new aftermarket Altezza headlights I've put on it. Angel light in the middle and just fucking angel light in the middle, your normal fucking low beam, and then just stop indicator what I put in. Then black Ecotech badges, new antenna. Put some what's in it, coilovers, that's what they're called. So I'm a bit slow with today at the moment. King springs in the back. Some yellowies, you can't see them from here. Got them. That's all sweet. Some aftermarket Altezza tail lights. I've taken the badges off there. Sorry, I'm a bit like, I've just gone quieter because the neighbours are outside. I don't want to hear them talking to myself. Black Executive Series 2 badge, Commodore. I've got to put the it's Commodore logo. Sorry, I've got to put the Commodore badge back on there. Around here, Kingies coilovers. Got some new V wide mirrors for the VX. Painted them. They look pretty smicko. Yeah, just some more Ecotech stuff, and I've got to repaint the bonnet. Fucked the job the other day doing it. So you'd probably see all the minor defects in it if I go like that, maybe. Yeah, another bunch to go on there, and a set of fat black rims. So the Commodore's going to be fucking mint, I reckon. And yes, sorry, I'll catch you fellas another time. And you guys, whoever's going to watch my video, thank you for watching this one, and yeah, here's a little montage of me reversing my car out.
When we wake, hear the birds and see the sun. Side by side our fears are done. Oh, the good times just begun. We know what we have, let's hold on tight. Found what we're looking for in life. Call us crazy, but things are finally right. With you and I, the future is bright. Before I sleep, hear the crickets, see the moon. Side by side and through